Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Friday, TGIF. I'm still under the weather, but I wanted to give this message because I wanted to touch on something, um, on a dish that we did 2 nights ago, or I did 2 nights ago, and that is cream chipped beef, also known as SOS. Cream chipped beef, like mentioned a couple days ago, it comes from the 40s, but it was really popular in the 50s and so forth, and continues on. We actually rather enjoyed it. It was the first time I had ever had cream chipped beef. It was yummy, and Robin enjoyed it as well. We're going to put it in the more lengthier rotation. Not talking once a month, but maybe a couple times a year. We'll see. Um, it's extremely easy to prepare. So yeah, I know some people have some reservations about cream chip beef, aka SOS, but it's good. Last night I had saltines and water, and yeah, it was kind of a rough night, rough evening. I'm still, like I said in the beginning of the message, I'm still a little under the weather. I'm feeling a little better, but not perfect. Tonight, we're going to be preparing a build our own pizza. When Robin bought pizza crust, a week or so ago, she bought two. We stuck one in the freezer, and that's what we're going to have tonight. And it's going to be kind of a meat lovers. Hopefully, my stomach will be able to handle it. We'll see. So, the weather, we're in hundreds. Um, Fortunately for Robin and I, we're going to San Francisco Sunday to see a Giants game. They're playing the Cubbies. All right. So stay hydrated, hydrate, stay in the cool weather or in a cool building, your home, your apartment, whatever you need to do, stay cool, stay out of the heat. Hopefully, the winds are dying down. So, on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.